Stop eating those deep fried snacks and switch to this 8-minute crispy masala peanut recipe. Here is what you need to do. In a bowl, add raw peanuts and microwave them for about 4 minutes. Just make sure to stir every minute. Once done, take them out and add chickpea flour, rice flour and some basic spices. Check the caption for details and pinch of baking soda. Then sprinkle a little water and oil, add some fresh coriander leaves and mix well to coat. Put it in the microwave for another 4 minutes. Keep stirring every minute until they are nice and crispy. They'll get even crispier as they cool, and that's it. And this is how you can enjoy your guilt-free snacks in a minute. Do try this recipe and share with your loved ones. If you love this, follow for more. Take care. Bye.